Something I wanted to talk about today is a lot of people sometimes feel like their past defines them. Um, the past doesn't define your future necessarily. You can change your future anytime you want. One of those things is if you're looking at the online space and you want to start earning some money online, you want to get into a program that's is your own business, that you make the 100% commissions on, that you have that mentorship, that daily chat or help from your mentor. Those are just so important. um, Check out my daily pay program. It's something to seriously look at. It's one of those things that can really change your future. I mean, there's thousands and thousands of people now using this program, and the benefits are just incredible. So make sure that you check it out. Remember, the past does not define your future.